Hello friends, in this video we'll be solving one very interesting rational equation for the real values of x. So let's get started with factorization of denominators. So we can write factors of denominator and equation will become 1 over x plus 1 times x minus 2 plus 1 over x minus 2 times x minus 5 plus 1 over x minus 5 times x minus 8 equal to 1 over 12. Now we'll multiply our equation by 3 both sides. So I will write here 1 times 3, 1 times 3, 1 times 3. And in RHS, we will write 1 times 3 in the numerator. So we can write equation 3 over x plus 1 times x minus 2 plus 3 over x minus 2 times x minus 5 plus 3 over x minus 5 times x minus 8, and in RHS we have 3 over 12 which will be 1 over 4. Now we can split 3 in terms of denominators factor. So I can write over here x plus 1 minus x minus 2 will get 1 plus 2 which is 3 over x plus 1 times x minus 2. Similarly here we'll write x minus 2 minus of x minus 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. X and minus x will get over. In denominator we'll write x minus 2 times x minus 5. Then we'll write x minus 5 minus x minus 8 over the product of both the brackets, x minus 5 times x minus 8, and in RHS there will be 1 over 4. Now we will split numerator with respect to denominator and we will get x plus 1 over x plus 1 times x minus 2, 1 over x minus 2. Then we will get minus 1 over x plus 1. Then we will write 1 over x minus 5 minus of 1 over x minus 2. Then we will write 1 over x minus 8 minus of 1 over x minus 5 will be equal to 1 over 4. Now we can cancel terms, 1 over x minus 2 with minus 1 over x minus 2. We have 1 over x minus 5 minus 1 over x minus 5. So it will be 1 over x minus 8 minus 1 over x plus 1 in the left hand side. And in RHS we'll write 1 over 4. Now we have to take LCM over here. We'll write x plus 1 times x minus 8 in the denominator, and in numerator there will be x plus 1 minus x plus 8, and in RHS we have 1 over 4. Plus and minus x will get cancelled out. We will get 1 plus 8 which is 9 in the numerator, and in denominator there will be x plus 1 times x minus 8 will be equal to 1 over 4. Now we will cross multiply and write x plus 1 times x minus 8 equal to 9 times 4 Let us multiply these two brackets. We will get x square minus 8x plus x minus 8 equal to 36. Minus 8x plus x is minus 7x. We will write x square minus 7x minus 8 minus 36 equal to 0, or we'll write x square minus 7x minus 44 equal to 0. Now we will use method of factorization to solve this quadratic equation. We can factor 44 11 times 4. So we can split our middle term minus 11x plus 4x. Minus 44 equal to 0. From first two terms x is common. We will write x minus 11 in the bracket. Minus 11 in the bracket. Then we'll write plus 4 is common. In the bracket there will be x minus 11 equal to 0. So factorization will become x minus 11 times x plus 4 equal to 0. Now we will use product 0 rule. So either x minus 11 equal to 0 or x plus 4 equal to 0. So from our first equation we will get x equal to 11, which is our first real solution. And from second equation we will get x equal to negative 4, which is our second real solution. From the factors of denominators we can check neither of the denominator should be 0. So I can write here x cannot be equal to negative 1, cannot be equal to 2, cannot be equal to 5, and cannot be equal to 8. So here we have 11 and negative 4. So both solutions are accepted. We will write x will be equal to minus 4 and 11. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.